Right here we have the Amazon Basic 5 shelf. This one is a narrow one. It's 60 inches high, it's 24 inches wide, and 14 inches deep. Love this thing for compact tight areas, and it's super easy to put together. We have multiple shelves like this from Amazon Basic, and we love them. This is not our first one. Boom, boom. This is what we get inside. All right, everything's unboxed, and we're ready to put it together. Pretty quick, pretty fast. Watch this. All this is trash. We don't need this. The feet. Now we have the feet. Let's pick our first level. Each pack is for one level. All the pieces are the same. Get the top and top to line up and clip around the rings that you want to use for that shelf level. Measure out how high you want each shelf to be. I'm probably going to do 15 inches. Just match the same 15 inches for all of them so that they match up. Ready to put on the shelf. Level 1. Make sure this is pointing down. Not like this. It should be like this. And put the legs on. There we are. Once you're here, just push the legs down. You can use a rubber mallet or just hit it with your hand. Like that. And that's tier number 1. Next tier, let's go. Measure up again, 15 inches, right around here. Tier 2. This down. Let's go up. Next level up. Let's measure about 15 up. Right. You can set up the spacing however you want. We're gonna have a little bit tighter spacing at top because we got 3 shelves right there. Let's go tighten this up a little bit. Let's just go down here. We can play around with the shelves however we want. There we go. Next level. Boom. Get one more here and then a top shelf and we're done. Next shelf up. Oh no. Small mistake. Make sure they line up. Almost done. Top tier. Last shelf. Let's go. Put this on. Boom. Just like that, our 5 shelf is done, and if we need to, we'll adjust the feet so that it's level and it doesn't wobble around. You can adjust it right now. You see how it's wobbling a little bit? Still wobbling a little bit? There we go. No more wobble. It's stable. Oh yeah, there we go. This is the 5 shelf system from Amazon Basic. This one is 60 inches high, 24 inches this way, and 14 inches deep in there. And you can adjust the shelf however you like. And this took exactly 15 minutes while I was unboxing and talking to you. So you can do this probably in less than 15 minutes for sure. There we go. Amazon Basic shelves are always the win, and they're super lightweight, yet they can handle a lot of weight. In fact, each shelf can handle 200 pounds. 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. That's 1,000 pound capacity right here. Amazon Basic. Oh yeah.